All right, let's take a look at our review to number 13. When I have a triangle and I'm finding the area of a triangle, I'm going to multiply the two numbers that make the 90-degree angle. So I'm looking at 3.7 and 5. So let me go 3.7 times 5. Usually when I multiply those two numbers, it gives me a rectangle. But I'm trying to find a triangle. So in this case, let me divide by 2. So I'm just going to type it on my calculator, 3.7 times 5, the result divided by 2. According to my calculator, it says 9.25. I'm going to round it to the nearest tenth, one decimal place. So 9.3. Multiply the two numbers across 90 degrees and divide it by 2 for a triangle. Now, when it comes to a rectangle, just multiply the two numbers that cross 90 degrees. In this case, 8 times 3. 8 times 3 equals 24. That's it. On a rectangle, do not divide by 2. On a triangle, divide by 2. Because a triangle is half of a rectangle. There's 10 questions tomorrow on the quiz tomorrow. From these questions, 13 and 14, you guys will have 4 of them. Now let's take a look at number 15. Find the area of each. Use your calculator's value of pi. Round your answer to the nearest tenth. So we're finding area. I know the area of a circle is radius squared. So radius times itself times pi. So in this case, I get 81 times pi. The 81, because I went 9 times 9. The radius is 9. So I'm just going to go 81. In my case, I'm going to use 3.14 for my calculator. And I'm going to have 200. It tells me 254.34. So that is 254.3. I round it to one decimal place. I am multiplying it by pi as a decimal because it is said on the instructions. On the quiz tomorrow, I'll give you 2 of these. Now for polygons, you are given an apothem. The formula that I mentioned on Tuesday was the apothem times the perimeter divided by 2. The perimeter is how much is each side multiplied by how many sides we have. So I'm just going to go 4.6. I notice that each side is 16. And there are 3 sides in this polygon. And I'm going to divide this by 2. When I type it on a calculator, I get 381.8. I just retyped it and I noticed it actually is 110.4. Now, number 17, we were working on this yesterday. I'm looking for the area of part of a circle. So I'm not looking for the whole circle. I'm looking at area of part of a circle. I'm just going to go 315th over 360. That's how much I have on the circle. And I'm going to multiply this by 225 pi. 225 because it's radius squared, 15 times 15. I want to use a calculator for this. 315th over 360 multiplied by 225 pi. It gives me 1575 pi over 8. Multiply the fraction, leave pi as a pi, and simplify the fraction. I showed you guys on Wednesday, I showed you guys yesterday how to simplify these. So you guys should be okay. You're going to have 2 of these on the test, on the quiz tomorrow.